What's up friends, welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to log in Gránit Bank of Hungary. So friends, if you want to log in your bank, you have to Google search for Granit Bank login and then click the first result here. This is the one first result. You will see this page, login page. So friends, all you have to do, you have to option here user identity and login password. Just write your user identity. For example, this is my user identity and then write your password. So guys, this is the first step you need to do, and then click login. If you forget password, just click forget password and then you will redirect it to this page. From here you can recover your password without any problem. So guys, you can recover your password. If you want to log in with your app, just download this app on Google Play or App Store and then you can log in. Just click install this app and then you can log in successfully with this app. So friends, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content.